guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if this is your first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple pink and brown halo eye, and I created this look using my Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette. This is a bit of a different look for me. Normally when I do a halo eye, I will carve out the halo with concealer, but I've seen this trend going around lately where you don't do that and it's more of a simple glam look, so I thought I'd give it a go. And this is what I came up with. I've been wanting to use the shimmery shade from the palette since I got the palette. It's so stunning in the pan and it looks equally as beautiful on the eyelid, and it's nice and basic, so this is a good one for anyone who's just starting out or you're branching out of your comfort zone in makeup, and this would be a good one for you. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've got my face done, my eyebrows done, and I've primed my eyelids with concealer. And I'm going to be taking this shade here, which is called In Bloom, and I'm popping it on fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to be applying it to the outer third of my eye and bringing it up to be a kind of a transition color, and blending it out. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, so on the inner third of the eye. And I want it to be quite pigmented and pink, so I'm just going over it a few times to make sure I've got enough colour on there. And as you can see, we've got a bit of a halo eye emerging. And I'm just lightly blending it out at the top just to add a little bit of colour to the top of the halo eye. And to help blend out the inner and outer third. Okay, now we've got the pink on, I'm going to be adding in the next shade, which is this one here called Ripe. And I'm putting it on this small pencil brush. Ooh. And I'm just going to be adding it in the outer third. Well, it's actually not the third, it's more like the outer fifth, because I want to leave a bit of space for the pink to show through. But I want to deepen it up as well. And also the same on the inner third, inner fifth. Now going back in with the pink, just to blend that out. And I'm kind of just dabbing it on, because I don't want to blend the colours too much, because I still want the pink to be visible. Okay, now to add some shimmer, so I'm going to take this regular medium-sized eyeshadow brush and I'm just spraying it with Fix Plus, and I'm going to dip it in the shade here called Eve, and I'm popping that in the centre of the lid and blending it up into the crease. Now I'm going back in with the pink and just blending that together just a bit more, because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and I want it to be as perfect as I can get it. Back in with the brown. I'm just doing this really lightly so that it blends nice and evenly. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing underneath the eye that I did on the top. So including the halo, just on the inner and outer third, I'm adding the pink, brown, spraying my little brush again, and I'm gonna take Eve, the shimmery shade. Now I'm just going to be taking my MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar. I'm going to add this to my waterline. I'm going to take this small eyeshadow brush and the shade here called Crown, and I'm going to use this to highlight my tear duct. And my brow bone. Okay, for my highlight, I'm going to take my Lime Crime Opals highlight, and I'm going to go in with the shade here called Peach, and just spraying my brush again. I'm taking this fluffy highlighting brush, put that on my cheekbone. Also going to put that on my nose and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to add some mascara, so I'm taking my Armani Eccentrico mascara. For my lips, I'm going back in with my Soar lip pencil by MAC, but I'm going to be sharpening it first because we don't want to be contaminating or moving any bacteria around from my eyes to my lips. So use this to line them. I'm going over that with my Mehr lipstick by MAC. Alright, and now for some lashes. I'm going to be applying these lashes. I've got the other one here. These are by Exo Beauty, and this is in the style Exotic. Okay, so this is the completed look with lashes. I've put on some pretty outrageous lashes for this, and the reason I've done that is because it looks better for my Instagram photos, because I always post them with my eyes closed. But yeah, this look would definitely suit smaller lashes, something a little bit more natural, but I'm not very natural. I don't do that thing. I like to go full out there. So yeah, that's what I have done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me in the future. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.